Welcome to ABCGrok. Join Luno and Tria on magical ABC adventures filled with learning, laughter, and love. We remember our friend Diro through every smile, every letter, and colorful fun and magical discoveries. Welcome to ABC Fast Food Fun in the USA with Luno and Tria.
Oh, Nicky treats to remember our friend Diro. Wow. Yeah, and we have Diro's bully and wings. Yeah!
A is for apple pie. Diro loved this sweet treat.
B is for burger. A big, tasty burger just like Diro enjoyed.
Wow, B is for this big burger. Let's pretend to share it.
Yeah!
C is for chicken nuggets, crispy and fun, just like Diro loved. Wow, look at Tria go. They're so crispy and fun, just like Diro loved.
D is for donuts. A rainbow of sweetness to share with everyone, remembering Diro.
E is for egg sandwich, a perfect breakfast treat for Luno, Tria, and our friend Diro.
Yummy egg sandwich!
F is for French fries, crispy, golden, and full of fun.
Look at that tower! So many fries! Let's count them!
This is the best F lesson ever.
G is for grilled cheese. Gooey, cheesy, and delicious.
Wow, grilled cheese! Can I have some? Of course, Diro. It's super stretchy. Let's share the gooey goodness. This one's for Diro. Dia. H is for hot dog. Yummy and fun for everyone to enjoy. I is for ice cream sundae. Wow, look at that sundae. So sweet and cold and super fun to share. Yummy scoops for everyone. Sweet, cold, and super fun.
J is for jelly donut. A squishy, tasty treat.
K is for crispy treat and fun. These are so good. Yeah, let's save one for Diro.
Good idea! Crunch, crunch, crunch!
L is for lemonade. Refreshing and full of sunshine. Wow, a milkshake. Let's try it.
Yay, it's creamy and chocolatey. So good.
Yummy.
M is for milkshake. Creamy, chocolatey, and fun to drink.
Diro would have loved these colors. N is for nachos, cheesy, crunchy, and colorful.
Yeah!
And so yummy.
O is for onion rings. Crispy, golden, and so fun to catch.
P is for pizza slice. Cheesy, tasty, and everyone's favorite. Q is for quesadilla. Cheesy triangles full of fun. Yay, quesadillas! Let's share. So cheesy. One for Diro.
R is for root beer float. Fizzy, creamy, and delicious.
Wow, look at the sparkles. It's for Diro.
Delicious!
S is for soft pretzel. Warm, salty, and fun to share.
Wow, this is yummy! Let's share!
T is for taco. Crunchy, cheesy, and super yummy. This one's for you, Diro. U is for upside down cake. Sweet and fruity fun. Happy birthday, Diro!
Yay!
U is for upside down cake.
V is for veggie burger. Healthy, colorful, and yummy.
V is for veggie burger. Healthy, colorful, and yummy. W is for waffles. Sweet, golden, and delicious. X is for extra cheese pizza. Cheesy, stretchy, and fun. Y is for yogurt parfait. Sweet, colorful, and yummy. Z is for zesty wings. Spicy, crunchy, and fun to eat. These zesty wings are so crunchy and spicy. Let's save the last one for Diro. Good idea. Zesty wings are the best.
Thank you for exploring ABC Fast Food in the USA. We miss Diro and will keep having fun just like he would have wanted. Thank you for learning your ABCs with Luno and Tria. Every letter is a new adventure filled with love and happy memories. Subscribe, like, and share to keep the ABC adventures going. See you in the next magical letter journey.